This morning when I woke up the kids, I said, I'm 39 years old and I grew up in the country and I've never been invited to milk cows before, so I'm waking you up to invite you to milk cows. And McKenna's like, I'm going to beat you at milking cows. Is this your first time milking cows, Tegan?
No, her lights were on.
Nice.
We're going to stay here.
Oh, just for a little while. Then you'll still go to preschool, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
I might be asleep at preschool.
Yeah, exactly. Here come the cows.
Who are these people?
I knocked out the key.
There's concrete that was built yesterday.
Oh, really?
It's like, we just poured a bunch of concrete yesterday.
Oh.
No, it's literally like shiny.
Mm.
There they are.
Hey,
Velma and Louise.
I love it.
It's not their name. Look at these. We have had all these cows milking, and that was a little while ago. We never changed their. This one's pregnant out in the field. We don't have this one anymore, but her calf will be calving for the first, or she'll be calving for the first time this year, and then she'll be in here.
they come straight to, they know where they're going. They come straight to their spot.
Yep. They know exactly where they every day. I'm surprised. Usually, even if you have like a bucket that's out of place, they stop and they, you know what I mean. They really are curious, but they came in really good for everybody being here.
You told me we were coming.
I did. I said, you guys have your best behavior or you're in
Ross,
trouble.
you're going to warm your fingers up now. Warm your hands up.
No way. I just drink the milk.
You need to stay. You need to stay there.
Don't you?
No, McKenna.
I'm going to get a photo.
It's not all the bunny parts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They won't believe me.
Before
Where
they
is the bagels?
Where are the bagels? You mean the donuts? I'll get your donut again. Just a second, sweetie.
Yeah.
I got to get down.
I can come and stick my head through that.
Yes,
Tina's over there. She's like, where are the bagels?
I got it. This one.
Do that and start boiling. Marilyn.
Marilyn is in there, yes.
Good.
So these are Jersey cows?
So this one's Jersey and then this one's brown Swiss.
Browns.
Yeah, so this is who she makes cheese with the brown Swiss. So this is actually my neighbor's cow, and then this one's mine. I
Is
do.
that richer?
They milk more, and I think the content of the cream and the fat is better for making. She thinks. Angelina. Good morning.
Morning.
Auntie.
Hey.
I just
Beautiful.
hope you your coffee in there that I.
You're late.
I know, I'm always late. Okay, so then we just clean them with soapy water. And they're pretty clean today, which is good. You want some coffee?
How'd I go, Ross? Is that all right?
So then this is other cleaner. And we just
It's
good, how are you?
okay, just a second. Oh, yeah.
That? Yeah.
Oh, it's a filling. No. Don't mind if I do.
I can't. Wild ones? Share this with Shane.
They've got donuts.
Here, you got coffee?
Yeah.
There was sugar there in there was like
Yeah.
a little container. Okay.
It's hot coffee. Woo.
Yeah,
Good.
how stressful course around selling
water with.